8 anti-aging habits that should be start from today. First of all, you should start your day with water. Drink 1 to 2 glasses of water right after waking up. Help flush out toxin, dehydrate your body, and kickstart metabolism. Keep your skin fresh and glowing. Then, don't forget to apply sunscreen every morning. Ultraviolet rays are the number one cause of early wrinkles and dark spots. Use SPF daily, even indoors or on cloudy days. Protects collagen and keeps skin looking young. Then eat colorful fruits and vegetables are very important. Bright colored produce like berries, spinach, and carrots are rich in antioxidants. Fight free radicals that causes aging and skin damage. More colors, more nutrients, and healthier skin. Don't forget about quality sleep. Get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep is very much important for anti-aging and good health. Your body heals and regenerates while you sleep. Deep sleep boosts skin repair and memory and hormone balance. Poor sleep can lead to faster aging. Exercise regularly. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate activity daily, like walking, yoga, or cycling. Improves blood flow, supports collagen, and reduces inflammation. Keep your body and mind youthful. Manage stress daily. Stress is not good for your health. Chronic stress speeds up aging at the cellular level. Just 10 minutes of meditation, journaling, or deep breathing lowers stress hormones like cortisol. Helps maintain mental energy and skin health. Stick to a simple skincare routine. Cleanse, moisturize, and use anti-aging serum like vitamin C and retinol. Prevents fine lines, keeps skin smooth and glowing over time. Consistency is the key. Morning routine and night routine is very much important. Cleanser, toner, moisturizer, sunscreen is for morning habit, and for night, don't forget makeup remover, cleanser, and foot serum. Application on the face. Stay mentally and socially active. Talk to friends, read books, and learn new things every day. Boost brain health and memory. Strong social connection is a key for longer and happier life. Now we will talk about anti-aging face mask. Homemade mask for reduced anti-aging. First of all, take 1 tablespoon of chia seed and soak it into the milk. Wait until the chia seed swells and absorb the liquid. Blend the soaked chia seeds in the mixture to form a smooth mixture. Add 1 tablespoon of rice flour to the mixture. Mix well to create a thick paste. Apply the paste on your face in an upward motion from bottom to top. Now we will talk about second face mask. This is homemade mask and you can prepare it at your home very easily. Take 1 egg white, only the whitening part. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Mix well until you get a smooth consistency. Apply the mixture evenly on your face. Let it set until it dries completely. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Now we will talk about third homemade face mask for glowing, youthful skin. 1 egg white tightens skin and reduces fine lines. 1 tablespoon honey hydrates and has antibacterial properties. 1 tablespoon fresh orange juice rich in vitamin C brightens skin. Instruction: mix all the ingredients well in a bowl until smooth. Apply the mixture evenly on your clean face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. And your face skin will get the benefits. Reduce dark spots, boost collagen production, minimize fine lines, brighten and tighten skin for a natural glow. Use 1 to 2 times a week for best results. Now we will talk about flaxseed face pack. 1 tablespoon flaxseed powder, a little water enough to make a thick paste. Instruction: mix flaxseed powder with a little water. Let it soak for 5 minutes until it forms a gel-like consistency. Apply the mixture evenly on your clean face. Leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. And your skin benefit will get firm and tightened skin, adds natural glow, helps reduce fine lines and dryness. Use 1 to 2 times a week. Homemade face pack for brighten and clear skin. 2 tablespoons curd moisturizes and gently exfoliates. 1 tablespoon egg white tightens skin and reduces fine lines. 1 tablespoon honey hydrates and soothes. 1 tablespoon sandalwood powder brightens and calms skin. Mix all the ingredients well in a clean bowl. Apply the paste evenly on your clean face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. And your skin will get the benefit of brightened, dull skin, tightened pores, reduced dark spots and fine lines. Leave skin soft, smooth and glowing. Use 1 to 2 times a week for best results. Thank you for watching. Hope so you will like our video. Don't forget like, share and subscribe. 8 anti-aging habits that should be start from today. First of all, you should start your day with water.